Transform your Ubuntu 22.04 from bland to grand with just one simple tool. Today, we're installing GNOME Tweaks, your gateway to unlocking a world of desktop customization. First, let's open the Ubuntu software application. You can find it in your dock or by searching for software in the Activities overview, accessed by pressing the Windows key, or the Super key as it is sometimes called. Once Ubuntu software is open, click on the search icon in the top left corner. A search bar will appear, ready for your command. Now type GNOME Tweaks into the search bar. As you type, you should see GNOME Tweaks appear in the search results. It might also be called Tweaks. Click on the GNOME Tweaks application in the search results. This will take you to the application's details page. Take a peek at the description to make sure it is the same GNOME Tweaks application. On the GNOME Tweaks application page, you'll see an Install button. Click it. You might be prompted to enter your password to authorize the installation, which is normal. Once the installation is complete, the Install button will change to a Launch button. Go ahead and click Launch to open GNOME Tweaks. Voila! GNOME Tweaks is now open. Explore the different options in the left-hand sidebar. From appearance settings to top bar customizations, feel free to experiment with the settings to personalize your Ubuntu desktop exactly how you like it. And that's it. You've successfully installed GNOME Tweaks and are ready to unleash your inner desktop designer. Enjoy customizing your Ubuntu experience.